Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're taking a look at another mod from Modelmodz. Today we're taking a look at the wrist joints for the Build the Terminator, and another high in demand mod. So let me show you what we get. So here we have them. This is the replacement wrist joints. We've got the Build the Terminator T800 written up here, replacement wrist joints written down here, a nice little graphic of the wrist joints in the bottom corner, and a design in keeping with the rest of the Build the Terminator mods that Modelmodz have already done. The reason this has been in high demand is because the actual wrist joint itself that was supplied with the build in here is a two-part hollow plastic joint, which is not good for durability and it will wear down over time. Some people already broke it when they actually did fit their regular joint. They did break it, and yeah, a hollow joint is not good for durability. So Modelmodz have come up with a solid joint to replace that. As you can see in here, you get two joints, one for each wrist. So again, another in-demand mod from Modelmodz. These things are really tiny, but they are solid plastic, so they will be more durable than the ones that are already on the build itself. You might not be having a problem at the minute with your wrist joints, but you may have in the future. As I said before, the durability will not be there with the hollow wrist joints, especially if you plan displaying it with the gun. The weight of the gun will wear your ball joint down faster. That's why it's much better to have a solid ball joint than an actual hollow one that we've already got in there. So we're going to change that out today. But if you want to go and pick this up for yourself, head on over to modelmodz.com. They already have the replacement eyes, the replacement wrist joints, the replacement teeth, and now they have the replacement finger joints on there as well. So you can go across and you can pick up all these mods. They're all essential to the build, and they all make the builds more durable and also aesthetically look better. So here we have the T800's right forearm and the wrist joint here. So if you didn't see my video on the replacement finger pins, I will put the link at the end of the video, and also yeah, go and get that. And that's the reason why I've got this off, is because I took it off to easily change all the fingers. So today we're going to be replacing the ball joint and also reattaching this arm back to the Terminator. So the first thing we've got to do is remove this ball joint here. So it's quite easy. I think we're going to start off by removing these little ones. We can just slide them out one by one, just so we don't damage anything, because remember, these are plastic. I don't want to break anything. Right, so now we've got that, and the only thing holding that to this is this joint here. So now we can grab it and we can give it a good pull, but be careful, because remember, this bit here is plastic and we do not want to break that. So as you can see, this ball joint is now removed. Mine did take a lot of force to get that out. It was actually, the ball joint on here was actually cracking and breaking as I was taking it out. So I had to be really, really careful getting it out. In the end, what I did was I removed the screw from the top to detach it from the hand, because I wanted to protect this palm and this joint here. I wanted to protect that. So in the end, I removed this screw and then grabbed it with a pair of pliers, and it came straight out. But yeah, you can already see around the sides of the ball joint here, they are already started to show the signs of wear. So that's not good. That's not good at all. So we're going to throw this one away, and now we're going to fit the Modelmodz version. So I've already removed the screw. All we have to do is screw this to the palm, just in here. We can turn that over, and we can put this screw through the top hole just here. Do it up nice and tight, and now we've got a ball joint on the back of there. Now we can just replace this back into the palm. Give it a good push till you hear that click, and there we go, it's in there. Now we can put the other ones back. I did loosen off the fingers just to move them out of the way, so I'll tighten them back up in a minute. So we can put these back in. Just like that, and now we can retighten these fingers back up. Okay, so with our wrist joint all on there, now we need to reattach the arm back to the Terminator. So we put this sleeve back on here. We're going to move this just to the side, just for a second. And we're going to bring in our Terminator here. And yet again, we're working just down here. And what we're going to do is we're going to put this back on here. And then we've got the one screw to go straight back down the bottom here. Just like that. Now reattach this ball joint. And there we go. That's our wrist all replaced. Very nice indeed. So that's it for this modification, guys. The wrist replacement joint is now installed. The other one is being stored up here, ready for next time when we do the left palm. We could just straight install that. We don't have to worry about fitting the hash out version. We could just fit the Modelmodz version straight onto it, click it into place, no problems at all. If you're doing the Agora Models version of this build, I'd highly recommend picking yourself up a set of these and the replacement finger joints and just straight away installing them. Highly recommend that. If you want to pick these up for yourself, so head on over to modelmodz.com. They've already got a huge catalogue of part work modifications and accessory packs available. They've got them for the Build the DeLorean, Build the Terminator, Build the Ecto One, and many more. So make sure you head on over there, check out their website, and don't miss out. So as you can see, guys, Modelmodz do have a very big catalogue. Here's some of the modifications that we've already done on the channel. And there's one more to go for the Build the Terminator series, and that's this one here. This is the replacement eyes. This will be coming out in the next couple of days. We also have some Build the DeLorean stuff here. We have the 1/8 scale Marty McFly wallet collection. This is from Luxury Customs and Modelmodz, and it's very nice. I've already had a sneak peek of that because I couldn't resist. We have an unpainted 1/6 switch kit. And this is to replace the hideous one that was in the DeLorean. So we're going to fit that, and we're going to paint it, we're going to build it, and we're going to fit that into the DeLorean at some stage. And we also have one of the newest ones, which is the 1/8 scale trolley jack. And this is in metal as well. It's metal, and it is a working jack. So I'll show you this off in a video in the future. To look forward to what Modelmodz have got coming, here's a little video coming up of Chloe Powell. She has been working on a modification for the actual gun. Take a look at this. How good was that? And it's something to look forward to, a kit to go in your gun to give it lights and sounds. Wow. So thank you very much for joining me, guys. Make sure you do head on over to Modelmodz to pick up your mods. Also, if you like this video, please click the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye bye.